patriots, like my grandfather who served in Patton's army. Soldiers, sailors, airmen, Marines, Coast Guard, Merchant Marines, and the women of the WACs and the WAVES in every branch. A Jewish merchant from Kentucky traveled here to the White House and met with President Lincoln in person. But one survivor living here in Los Angeles, a leather goods merchant named Poldek Pfefferberg, insisted on telling anybody who would listen about the man who had saved his life, a man named Oskar Schindler.